Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna be walking through how to change your Gmail account profile picture. But before getting started this video, make sure you subscribe. Hold 1 minute. So first of all, you have to open your Gmail, then click on your profile picture here and click on this little camera icon, and from here click on change, and you can use the illustration from this list, or you can use Google Photos from here, or you can upload a photo from your computer. So I'm going to upload a photo from my computer. So I'm going to select this photo, and you can crop the photo, you can rotate, then click on save as profile picture, and here you can see profile picture will update soon. It could take a day or two to see the changes across all your Google surveys. So here you can see I have successfully updated my profile picture. If you have any questions, feel free to post in description. If you think to see more WordPress videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you for watching.